Hello again. Welcome to another episode with Ralph. Hope you're fine, dear lovely IELTS candidates. Well, so many of you during the past 3 or 4 weeks requested some Task 1 academic graphs or charts, and many of you, that's pretty surprising to me, that so many of you asked for a diagram process. And today I've prepared one of those, let's say, diagram processes that so many of you may not have seen before. And today we're going to practice that one. And it's actually production of clothes from bamboo. And as you can see, here is the photo. Here is the picture of our diagram. And the question is, the diagram below shows how fabric is manufactured from bamboo. And we're going to write about this process. All right, first, I want to walk you through all the details, all the words or vocabularies or verbs needed in order to write this diagram process. And by the end of today's session, I'm pretty sure that you'll completely understand and actually know how to write a perfect report on diagram process or process diagram. So stay tuned. We're going to practice and we're going to work on so many great things today, and that would be perfect for you. And I'm pretty sure I want to make sure that you will understand all the details and how to write a perfect report on process diagram. All right. So first, before starting writing the 4 paragraphs, introduction, overview, and the 2 detailed paragraphs, I'm going to just tell you the words, the phrases we need, and what we're actually going to do here. So first of all, let's count the number of stages. That's pretty clear. The number of stages are written here, 9 stages. All right. Well, when we take a quick look, and when we just have a glance at this process, we just come to understand that there are 2 main, let's say, 2 main processes here, mechanical and chemical processes. As you can see, up to stage 4, the stages are mainly mechanical, all right? But from stage 5, it becomes, let's say, chemical, all right? So the latter stages involve some, let's say, fabric formation or chemical processes. So it is divided in 2 mechanical and chemical processes. So let's just start by the first stage, which plant bamboo plants. Right? So the word we need here is when we want to talk about the beginning and how the first stage starts, we can use the word commence. Commence is a nice word to start the process, all right? And another word which is actually good here to use is cultivate. And remember, in writing the stages and in writing the report on process diagram, we mainly use passive voice. So this does not mean that all our sentences have to be in passive voice, but more than half of our sentences have to be in passive voice. All right, so we can say are cultivated. The bamboo plants are cultivated, and spring is very important here. All right, because we have to just say that in spring these plants are cultivated, and the harvest time, or the verb is harvested, is autumn. So by, let's say, by autumn, those plants are harvested and they are cut into strips, all right? So we can use the, let's say, subsequently here if we want to talk about the next stage. So subsequently is a very good word, is a nice adverb to talk about the next stage. And then, as you can see in the 4th stage, they undergo a crushing process. This undergo or experiencing a crushing process is a nice word here. So undergo is another word or another verb we use for this stage, all right? And it results in a liquid pulp, all right? Result in it results in liquid pulp, as you can see in stage 4. And after this stage, so if we want to talk about the next stage, all right, we can write something like following this. So following this would be our other word to talk about the next stage. And this mixture is filtered. You can see that the word filter is here. So we can say is filtered, all right? And what happens here? So it separates long fibers from the liquid content, all right? And the next stage is about softening those fibers. So we can say those fibers are softened. What happens here? By adding water, all right, and amine oxide, and then the spinning process is the next process, and these, after spinning, they're woven to make fabric, and then they are used for clothing items like, for example, socks or t-shirts. So these are the verbs and the phrases we need to write about, to write this report. Now, let's start by writing our first paragraph, which is introduction. All right, in writing our diagram process introduction paragraph, we should write about the number of stages, all right? And it is in the production of fabric from bamboo plants. And in the introduction, we can write about the beginning and also the ending process, all right? So what is the most important information here to be put? The number of stages and what is produced, all right? The first or the beginning of this process and the ending of this, let's say at the end of this process, what is the ending process here? So we are going to write an introduction like this. The diagram illustrates, so instead of shows, we can write illustrates, not be repetitive like what we have in the question here. Illustrates the 9 stages involved in the production of fabric from bamboo plants, beginning with planting and ending with finished clothing products. Beginning and ending with. Beginning with planting and ending with finished clothing products. That's it. This is a perfect introduction paragraph to write about process diagram. Now, we should write, our next paragraph is overview paragraph. And as you know, overview paragraph is the general statement or statements. And we talk about the most, let's say, important features without going into details about this process diagram. So one of the things that are that is pretty important is that mechanical or chemical processes that we have here. All right. And another thing which is important is that we can say that, for example, this procedure, let's say, goes through 2 mechanical and chemical processes. And we can say that the early stages focus on physical preparation, and the latter stages involve fabric formation or chemical processes. All right. So this is the most, let's say, important feature of this process diagram here. So we can start by writing something like this. Overall, the procedure transforms raw bamboo into wearable textiles through a series of mechanical and chemical processes. This is one sentence. Notably, the early stages focus on physical preparation of the bamboo, while the latter stages involve fiber treatment and fabric formation. Fabric formation. This is a very good, to the point, overview paragraph about writing a process diagram. That's it. Now, we are going to separate the 2 detailed paragraph here. So we can write about, let's say, 5 stages. 5 stages in the first detailed paragraph. And from stage 6, we're going to include that in the second detailed paragraph. All right, that is how I categorize or I separate the stages here. Let's start by writing the first stage. And as you remember, I said that we are going to use commands and also the word cultivate in passive voice. The process commences in the spring. Let's say the season is very important because it's included here. So when it's included, you have to use that. You have to write about that. The process commences in the spring when bamboo plants are cultivated. All right, that's it. This is the first sentence. We write about the first stage. By autumn, they are harvested and subsequently cut into thin strips. Cut into thin strips. This sentence includes stage 2 and 3. And as you remember, I said undergoing a crushing process in stage 4, right? These strips undergo a crushing process, and what happens? It results in a liquid pulp, right? Resulting in a liquid pulp. And following this, you remember, I said about going to the next stage, we can write a phrase like following this. Following this, the mixture is filtered. You see how many passive voices I use here in writing this report. The mixture is filtered to separate long fibers from the liquid content. So this is stage 5. Now from stage 6, I'm going to include that. I'm going to put that in the second detailed paragraph. Once separated, this is a very good word. Once separated, the fibers are softened by adding water and amine oxide. And what happens then? Making them suitable for the spinning process. The spun fibers are then woven to form sheets of fabric. Again, passive voice. Are then woven to form sheets of fabric which can ultimately be transformed into various clothing items such as socks and t-shirts. It takes around 2 or 3 or sometimes 4 minutes to write down the verbs or the phrases you need to write in each stage. And once you write down those verbs or phrases, combining them together to form a paragraph might be very easy for you. So I recommend that before starting writing the whole report, you can write the verbs and phrases you need to analyze, let's say, this or to write about this diagram process. All right, so in that case, once you've done this, then writing the report might be very easy for you, and that might not be very challenging or frustrating. Okay, so this is what I do all the time. If I want to write a report, or if I want to write even an essay, I just write down some verbs or phrases I need. Then I try to use those words or phrases in my essay or in my report. And as you can see here in this report, I'm definitely sure that it can get band score 9, I'm sure. And we have analyzed the whole process diagram in details. And we have also used great words in passive voice. And also the stages are all included without giving any extra information here. And we have put all the information needed in this report about this process diagram. That's it. I hope you have enjoyed this part and has been really helpful to you. Until next time, enjoy your time, stay tuned, and bye-bye.